Good morning, CDT day 92. Jesus and I just packed up camp as quietly as we could to let Snowcat and Woj sleep. But we just got headed out on trail right at 6 a.m. So just trying to get to Encampment as quickly as possible to spend as much time there as we can. So it's about 21 miles from here, and the elevation profile doesn't look very nice. But we'll just make the best progress we can and hopefully get to town before it's too late.
Here's the road. 2 miles is not tough. I don't know. Go ahead, you
Our first water source of Wyoming. Just a little muddy trickle, but it'll work. Elk family. Still got some bogs to get through before getting into the basin, so things are looking a little wet. Whew, but gorgeous. Whew. Alright, we just hit a gravel road. We're going to be taking this around a mountain. This is actually off the CDT, but pretty much the same mileage, just a little less elevation gain, and obviously quicker walking because there's no obstacles or blowdowns to pop over. So we'll be hooking back up with the CDT pretty soon. Jesus and I are just in the midst of a big climb. I have to climb to the top of a mountain, about 900 foot direct ascent, and then ups and downs for a total of like a 1,500 foot difference in elevation. But there's this beautiful creek. And look at these rock walls. Cool. Starting to get some pretty awesome views of the basin coming up. And I think I even see Encampment out there. Gotta go. Gotta get to it then. Topped out our climb, the biggest one of the day. We have a bunch more climbs left, but none of them are more than like 300 feet. So we should be able to handle that. A little less than 10 more miles. Well, after half a day of about dry feet, we get to walk through some bogs. So back to wet feet. We're about 6 miles out, maybe a little less, from our hitch spot to Encampment. Alright, after a lot of hard work and climbing, feeling pretty fatigued, but we're just about to the parking lot where we can start hitching into town to Encampment, Wyoming. And got this hiker box here that is by a local bed and breakfast. I'm so sorry I can't remember the name right now, but thank you so much to these guys for providing this for us. It's just a hiker box. It's full of food, water, and supplies, and that's pretty nice. So we don't need anything since we're going into town, so we figured we'd leave it for people who actually could use it or need it. But it's still nice to see these around on the trail anyway, so thank you to those guys for providing that for us. And now it's time to hitch into town. Okay, finally, we have made it to Battle Pass, which is the location of the highway that will bring us to Encampment. So we're just waiting for cars. Only about 5 have come so far in the past 20 minutes or so. Nobody stopped, but we're still holding out hope. We've heard that this is an easy hitch from some people and heard that it's a really tough hitch from others, and it's hard to say. Alright, so we finally got a hitch from a girl, and this was her very first time picking up hitchhikers. So that is the second time we were able to get picked up by someone who has never picked up hitchhikers before. So she brought us all the way into town and exactly where we needed to go, the Bighorn Lodge in Encampment, Wyoming. So Jesus and I just got a room that we are currently in, and I'll show you right now. There's Jesus, and here's our room. We got a freaking TV with cable. We got 2 beds, so we don't have to do anything weird. We got a bathroom, shower, sink. We even have a Jandals. Hey there. And and we have a microwave and a fridge and a mirror. You can't beat that. About $75 for the night, so split it 2 ways, just shy of 40 each. That's real solid. So we were here a little after 3 p.m. So we got some time to relax. And the brand new pizza place just opened up, and it is right next door. Sounds like my next stop. All right, so just a quick update. Jesus and I went right next door to The Divide, a brand new pizza place, and we got some burgers, and we got about four Blue Moons each. So we were feeling pretty darn good. But something else we did to surprise ourselves was to have a pizza to take back to the hotel with us for later. So let's check out what it is. And now we have Jesus with the big reveal.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh,
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Folks, we have ourselves a taco pizza. Taco seasoned ground beef. What else am I seeing? Tomatoes, lettuce, what are they called? Olives, and sour cream on top with taco sauce on a pizza. I think it's time for an excellent evening while watching The Office on TV. Hell yes. And that is the end of the day. So that is a 21-mile day narrowing into town and about 2,500 feet of elevation gain. So got it all done by 2 p.m., which was pretty awesome. Now we're just going to relax for the rest of the night and then pick it up tomorrow, get back on trail. So check out some of the photos. Let me know what you think.